Welcome to 2 Belvoir Close, situated in the charming village of Breaston. This 2-bedroom end terrace bungalow is situated in a private cul-de-sac and offers comfort and convenience inside. Let's go take a look. We've just come through into the entrance hallway, which is a perfect place to take boots off, and it's also got space for hanging coats. We're now in the cosy lounge, perfect space for your sofas and chairs. It's nice and light. The property is also fully double glazed. We've got a feature fireplace. Let's take a look in the kitchen. The well-equipped fitted kitchen has space for a tall standing fridge freezer, stainless steel sink and one net mixer tap, a mesh oven with 4-ring gas hob and extractor above, and it also has space for a dining table. The newly fitted shower room has a large walk-in double shower. It has a WC and pedestal sink. So now into the private enclosed rear garden here at Belvoir Close. As you can see, it's low maintenance with patio area. You could put some pots down with some plants if you wish. We've also got a shed for storage. As for the location, we are kind of in between Draycott and Breaston. You can walk to either one with cafes, bars and pubs in both directions, and you've also got transport links and bus routes just on the main road, a short walk away. If you would like to arrange a viewing, give us a call at the office on 0115 946 1818 or contact us via email or on our website. Thank you very much.